TF5 Boot Camp in Miami Beach, Florida. This is the Power Hour. Welcome. Welcome. Well, hello. Happy Saturday to you. This is Power Hour 197. So we're closing in on the real deal here, which is the 200th episode, which will be very interesting when that happens. We don't know what we're going to do, but we're going to do something. Okay, usually we do something like we did for the 100th. And with this one anyway, so that's going to be something. So anyway, it's coming up in 3 weeks from today. We'll be at the Palo Alto. I think it's going to be during the Palo Alto live class, which is coming up soon, September the 2nd. So for those of you who are thinking about attending one of our courses for the end of the year, Palo Alto is getting pretty full. So I think there's 8 or 9 in that class, and Las Vegas always gets full. And that's coming up in November, and that usually has between 10 and 20 in the class. And Miami's our lightest course load, about 4 to 8, 4 to 10 in this region. So anyway, and we have a new classroom in Miami. It's still in the same general building, but we use the signature conference room, which is upstairs in a beautiful FBO. So when you're there, you get to see a lot of people. Like we get Floyd Mayweather comes in a lot. He's downstairs in the lobby with all these people around. Then we had the guy who runs the for The Bachelor. He was one of them, and he also was a host. I forgot his last name, but he was in there, and a bunch of people. Beyonce been in there, a bunch of people. So if you come to Miami, you're likely to see somebody, maybe. All right, so that's all I got to say on that. Many things. I'll catch up with you at about 30 minutes past the hour. We will go through the room, see who's here, and just kind of generally see what's going on. And your chat, if you go into the chat, you'll be able to ask questions, and I'll get to those. There's also links in the chat, so very important one. So if you want wings credit for today, there is a link there, and it will take you to a place where we automatically capture, or will capture your name and your email, because we don't want to do this manually because it's tedious, right? So if I put it in an email capture system, then it's just one thing we can upload or download or whatever, so it's easy. But there's 2 gray boxes there. And some people have trouble with. One is because it's you can't just collect people's emails. I don't know if you know that. If you're doing that, you should not be doing that. So they have to let you do that, and you have to prove it. So those 2 boxes prove you said it was okay. That's what those 2 boxes are for. One satisfies the European regulations, and the other satisfies ours. So that you have to. If you don't click that, then you won't be able to get it. Won't accept your submission. So just so you know, we don't have too much trouble with that. But I get an email of everybody who opts into to that thing, and we've got usually about 45 to get wings credit. So that's quite a bit. So we're not going to do that manually. We just wouldn't do it otherwise. I see you're doing it now. So I see some emails coming in. Like, you're listening. That's very good. So hope everything's well with everybody. It's hot here. Before we get going, I want to tell you